I have here 4 tappets which are almost new. We can see these 2 lines, these dark lines. This is actually old oil. If I insist a little, it starts disappearing. As you can see, these tappets are in a perfect shape. This surface is shiny, it is smooth, it is flat. The tappet is just sliding inside the bush with no play. This zero play here, and it is sliding just fine. These tappets they have an interesting story. I have these tappets, I think, from 2017. I have made a swap of a camshaft with somebody from New Zealand. I'm from Romania. That means that is a very long distance. And this swap, it was made on a forum. We have exchanged some information on that forum about these bikes, and he had a wrong camshaft, I had a wrong camshaft, and we have swapped those camshafts, and he gave me for free, and I thank him again, these 4 tappets, because for him they were useless. The camshaft that I gave to him, it was for another type of tappets. And like I said, I have these tappets from almost 10 years. I really can't remember the year, 2016, 2017, and now it is the time to use these tappets. They are perfect, they are like new. And also being a little used, probably 1000 kilometers, maybe 2000 kilometers, that shows that they are good quality, because they are perfect. If they were poor quality in 1000, 2000 kilometers, they would have some signs of scratching, fine scratching, or something like this, but they are perfect. For assembling the tappets, I have decided to use the original bolts, but also I have made some improvement. If you see on this one, the slot, it has a higher depth, and it is a little wider compared to this one. So I will make the same slot for every bolt, because this way you have a bigger force if you want to unscrew the bolt if it is necessary. Also, you need to clean the thread, and these are 5mm bolts, and you take a 5mm die, and you can clean the thread. And by cleaning the thread, it will be very easy to put the bolt on the engine housing, because as you can see, it is spinning without effort. That means the threads are clean. Increasing the slot of the bolt, it is easy. You put the bolt on the vise, and with a saw you begin to increase the slot. Actually, you'll use the saw like a file, and never hurry. Just be patient. You change the angle of the saw. It is okay. Yeah, it's perfect. I have already assembled 3 tappets. It is nothing complicated. You just have to oil the parts of the tappets, the glass and also the tappet. You put a lot of oil. You push the tappet inside. You just have to align these holes in order to be able to put easily the bolt in the thread. Also, as you can see, I'm using Loctite in order to secure these bolts. Okay, the holes are aligned, and now we put the bolt. Never hurry and be careful to put the bolt in the correct position, otherwise you'll ruin the thread, and trust me, you don't want this. And that's it, we have the tappets assembled.